going on YouTube? It's currently 10:30 and today I thought I'd make another video on how to make eyelids on your front headlights because the weather is absolute trash today. So I'm gonna go grab something to eat, drink, and then we'll head down to my dad's workshop and get this video on the way. If you haven't watched the first video, the front splitter, I suggest you do. It's pretty good, I think. I don't know, but yeah, I had a lot of fun making it, so I hope you guys enjoy that video as well. So we'll go grab something to eat, drink, and head down to the workshop. Catch us there. Got me food, about to move my car in. Should be good. I hope you guys enjoy this video because I have fun making them. So we'll move the truck out and bring my car in, and then I'll show you guys how to make eyelids with vinyl. Sounds good. Alright, so I got the car in. I've actually currently got eyelids on it, but I'm going to show you guys anyway how to do them. It's a quick, simple, easy way. Don't have to spend heaps of money on the, well, not heaps, but like, you know, it's just fun doing your own stuff. So these are the ones I got on there now. They're just vinyl. That's using 3M body wrap. So I will show you how to get the line you want, like as in like where you want to place the place the wrap and all of that good stuff. So we'll get straight into that. I'll peel that one off and show you guys how it's done. Alright, so I got a piece of Orical Rapid Air, which will do the job as well. 3M or Orical, whatever. It's just an offcut, should be long enough. But if you're wondering where to get the vinyl from, you could just go to your local sign shop or something like that, I don't know, or a car body wrap shop or whatever, and ask for a piece. I'm sure they'll give it to you pretty cheap. Or you could just go online and, you know, get a small proportion. Alright, so we'll get straight into peeling mine off and showing you how to get a line for where you want to put these. Alright guys, so I got my piece of scrap. So for things you'll want is probably some tape. Well, you need tape. Some paper towel. This is isopropylene. It's just an alcohol cleaner. And an applicator to apply down the vinyl. So I'm just going to quickly clean it up. Clean all the water around it up. Now pretty much how I got the line where I wanted it, I got some tape. I'm just gonna draw a line with this because I don't want to redo that. Pretty much want to line it up where you want it, and I just ran it all the way around to where I was happy with it. Like so. And pretty much I stood back, looked at it, made sure I was happy with it. I ran it with that line there, the line of the bumper, just so it, you know, sort of look good with the body lines. I'm just going to quickly peel this one off. If I can get it. This actually works out good because I got a bit of a mark on there. I dropped a tool on it. So now that I got my line, actually one second, I'll just grab an applicator. Alright, so I got my applicator. Now, I'm just going to quickly clean over the spot where we're putting the Orical wrap with some isopropylene. So Don't need heaps, just a little bit. So once you've got that all clean, you want to make sure on the vinyl that you've got one straight edge, because you're going to want to use that straight edge. So also make sure you got your bonnet up, because it makes it a lot easier. So we're going to use this straight edge, and you pretty much line it up with the tape. And go all the way around, run it with all the tape line, and then grab your applicator, pull up on here, slide it all down. And once you've done that, you want to grab your knife with a fresh blade. Pretty much start it in the middle, because that's easier. Run it along the line. So that's run around, pull that back, and then follow this line. Like so. There you are. You've got your custom eyelids. Just like that. Now this vinyl here is a rapid air, so it goes down a lot easier than the normal vinyl that doesn't have air release on the backing of it. But I'm sure if you went down to your local sign shop or something, they'd have offcuts that you could buy off them. If you're really that keen on, you could use bloody tape, but I wouldn't personally. You could probably find a gloss tape, I don't know. So I'll just grab you guys and show you up close. Alright, so that's what they look like up close. Cut on the edge there. Show you guys what it looks like with the angel eyes on. Alright, so that's what they look like with the angel eyes on. They look very aggressive. I personally think the vinyl eyelids look way better than the bought ones, so it's a bit hard to get it with a glare. Also, if you like that splitter, make sure to watch the first video I made. That makes it also look very aggressive. But if you like the look of these, make sure to give it a shot. So guys, if you like that, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. I'll definitely be making some more videos in the future. I don't know what I'll do next, but I might do like painting your engine covers or something like that to like color code or whatever. That's actually a vinyl wrapped car. I wrapped that myself. So we'll have to make a paint that's fairly close to it to suit the vinyl wrap, but yeah, I might even do like how to fix a droopy bumper, all sorts of stuff like that. I might even show you guys how to wrap roofs or stuff like that, I don't know. I'll also do like reviews and all sorts of stuff like that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Cheers, peace.
Keep it on the level, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the. Keep it on the level, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the ladder while you in need of a shovel. I can do this all day, I can do this all night.